물놀이야 물놀이야 Just in the beat. Look at those drunk fools. What's going on here? Oh no. 물놀이야 물놀이야 물놀이 물놀이야 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 Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Niharika and today I'm reacting to first time reacting to Ateez and their new song Fireworks and the one official MV. So I'm really excited because it's my first time that I'm reacting to them. So it's really excited and I'm seeing the first time, so it's also very exciting to see them, like what is the song, how they're looking and everything. So I'm really excited. So let's go and react to it. So let's go and please subscribe it and like it and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, please. So let's go and react to it. So let's go. So let's start. KO Entertainment. Fireworks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's looking amazing. Oh, others just be drunk fools. What's going on here? But only my heart beats in. Don't stop me. Oh, zaps. What's going on here? Song mistake. We need to. Oh, dancing. Oh, has a different kind of voice and style. I really love it. Bulmoria, yeah. has like a it's so kai like kind of dress. The stomach is looking like just like Maria, Maria, whoa, it's looking like a concert. Maria, whoa, it's finished. What is it? Zero Fever Part 2. Oh my god, they're looking really amazing. I will say that they're looking very amazing, and their song is so very amazing. I will say that also, and they're looking very amazing. It's my first time to reacting to a song to them also, so it's really amazing. I really love it, and my reaction to see them like oh my god, like oh my god, what's happening, like that. And I really love it. And the song also is really like Bulnoria, hey, Bulnoria, yo, Bulnoria, pop it up, whoa. So I really love it. So I hope that you like my video. So please subscribe it and like it, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, please. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I love you all. Peace. Annyeong, thank you. Annyeong. Please subscribe it, please subscribe it, please. Bulnoria. Look at those drunk fools. What's going on here? Oh no. Bulnoria, Bulnoria, Bulnoria. Annyeong. Bulnoria.